Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to choose your own skin. First you go to minecraftskins.net. Minecraftskins.net, okay guys? For example, I say I'll choose this Iron Man. You click download. You can choose any. Click download, okay. Then you copy this. Control C. You click here. Then you type in custom skin compiler for Minecraft. You Control V, I mean. Control V. Okay, so any kind of Minecraft, you just type in 1.0. Then you scroll down, choose a file. Okay, so you go into downloads, and then you see Iron Man MK42. Open, submit. Then you go into Minecraft. You go to your files. You go to downloads, Iron Man MP4, and then say important started. Here, successfully imported Iron Man MK42. Okay, close it. Go here. So if you want this newbie guy, if you like my video, just hit the like and subscribe to my channel. I want to get 2,000 likes, and you see, I have this Iron Man, but my favorite is Hacker, Goku, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy, this guy. So I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.